I am Bethany and this is Edelweiss Farms in Freedom, New York. We started this about 10 years ago when my daughter was in kindergarten, and it's a day on the farm where they can travel through 7 stations. I love it because it's smaller and we can answer more questions and spend more time with the kids that can explain why we farm, what we're doing, how their milk makes it from the farm to the table. And yeah, it's funny because when I was in kindergarten, I still remember the day that we toured a farm. And I can remember it so vividly, so it makes me think we can share this with kids now. They're going to remember it someday. And if we can just kind of show them what we do and how important and how much we care about our jobs and getting food from the farm to the table at a young age, I really think that it's going to stick with them, and hopefully they'll respect and maybe even have a job someday in the agricultural industry. I've heard so many stories of parents saying, oh, that's all my kid talks about. It's been a week and they're still talking about the farm. So I think we're definitely doing our job. Every year it grows. I think this year we have about 500 kids, and definitely couldn't do it without the support of our community and our volunteers that come and help us run the program.